In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Read AI in Google Meet. If you've ever left a meeting wishing you had clearer notes, action items, or a clean summary, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to bring Read AI into your call so it can capture everything for you automatically and accurately. Start by going to Google Calendar. Open the calendar event that includes a Google Meet link. This is the easiest way to get into the right meeting without hunting for invite details. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so you have the right permissions in the meeting. If you're joining a team or client call, double-check the event time and the Meet link to avoid jumping into the wrong room. Inside the event, click Join with Google Meet. This opens the Meet lobby. Take a quick moment here to glance at your microphone and camera settings so you're ready to participate as soon as you join. Keeping this step smooth helps you focus on the discussion rather than setup. When you're ready, click Join Now to enter the meeting. You'll land directly in the call. If you're the organizer or a co-host, you'll have controls to admit participants and manage access, which you'll use in a moment for Read AI. You should see a prompt to add Read. Click Yes, Add Read. This invites the Read AI assistant to the meeting so it can transcribe, summarize, and highlight key moments. Read joins as a participant and stays in the background so it won't interrupt the flow of the conversation. Next, you'll be asked to type in a title for the report. Enter a clear descriptive name, something like the project, team, or client, plus today's date. Good titles make it much easier to find and share your notes later. Click Continue to confirm. This tells Read AI how to label the report and starts the process of joining your call. You'll now see Read waiting to join the meeting. Click Admit to let it in. Once admitted, the Read participant will appear in your roster and begin capturing the conversation. It won't require audio from you and won't distract from the discussion. If needed, you can always remove it later using standard participant controls. That's it. You've successfully brought Read AI into your Google Meet. From here, it will generate a transcript, highlights, and a concise summary you can review afterward, typically accessible via your email or the Read dashboard. As a best practice, let attendees know an assistant is capturing notes to keep everyone informed and comfortable. To recap in one smooth flow, open your calendar event, join with Google Meet, join the call, add Read, title the report, continue, and admit the bot. Follow these steps and you'll finish every meeting with organized, actionable notes.